guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all the difference between front loop versus back loop. So this is a common thing you'll see in crochet patterns, like especially if you're doing ribbing on hats. It'll say, work single crochet only in the back loop, and I'm going to show you what the difference between the front loop and the back loop is. But before I do, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, because I post lots of free crochet tutorials and patterns on my YouTube channel, along with I'm starting to do some more knit tutorials and even a few Cricut projects and crafts. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't. So here, let me grab this hat that I have done. I'm going to show you. This is an example of back loop single crochet, which you can crochet into the front or back loop with any stitch, whether it's half, double crochet, single crochet, it doesn't matter. But this brim, I actually got it folded up double, so this is it. This whole way was crocheted using back loop only single crochet, and it created this nice little rippled texture. Okay, so I made two little samples here. This one with doing back loop only stitches, and I done single crochet. So this was back loop only single crochet, and you can see the texture of it. And then I done this one with front loop only single crochet. So just by doing back loop versus front loop, you can see there is quite a difference in them. So now I'm going to show you what the difference between your front loop and your back loop is. So I have a single row of single crochet that I have done and worked up, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you'll see just a little bit better. And I'm going to chain one. So you see these little V's here. They look like V's. Each one of these is a stitch. So typically when you work a stitch, you insert your crochet hook under both of them. Well, when you're doing a front loop or a back loop, you're only going to insert under one. I went and grabbed my yarn needle so I can point a little bit better. Your front loop is always going to be the loop closest to you, and your back loop is going to be the loop farthest from you. So I'll start here, and I've already chained one and turned. So if I said I'm going to work a back loop single crochet in each stitch, I'm going to go in only the loop farthest from me and leave that front loop unworked. So the loop farthest, like so, and another back loop. Now if I said I was going to do a front loop only, I would work only in the loop closest to me, only in that front loop. And like I said, you can use any stitch, so whether you're doing half double or double crochet, you can work them only into the front or back loop. So only like so, and that leaves the back loops unworked. So there's another front loop. So the first three were back loop only, leaving the front loops unworked. These last three were front loop only, leaving the back loops unworked. And that is how easy it is to define the difference between a front loop or a back loop. I hope y'all have enjoyed this tutorial. If y'all have, be sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. If you have any questions, be sure to drop me a comment below and let me know what they are. And happy crocheting, guys!